Hey everyone, Matt Sullivan here with Toro Media. Just wanted to show you some quick stuff when it comes to web design for a medical device company, or when it comes to looking at SEO opportunities for a medical device company. I'm just using Uber Suggest right now, free tool, and I just searched a handful of keywords and phrases just to kind of see what we're up against. So I looked at medical device company, medical device services, medical device engineering, which is more of the kind of services type that you may see. So I'm scrolling down, and those three, it's very interesting to kind of just pinpoint those ones. So we're looking at here is the search volume per month in the United States. So medical device company, about 10,000 searches per month. And that could be anything, right? That could be someone searching for careers. That could be a lot of things. But as far as services go, like medical device services, there's only 110 searches per month. And then medical device engineering, 720. So these are a little bit more like middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel type scenarios versus just like general awareness. But besides volume, the things that we want to look at is we're going to kind of leapfrog over cost per click and PD, which is paid difficulty. Certainly, if you want to get into paid marketing for these things, there's enough volume to run probably a very nice campaign. You probably do need a good budget. But the thing I'm looking at here is the organic opportunity within SEO difficulty in this last column. So medical device company, you want to rank for that? Good luck. That's 87 out of 100. Not great to go for something that broad. You really want to be way more niche in what you're going for, whether it's something service based or more localized, like within a city, which we're going to get into in a second, as well as just what are some of the more bottom of the funnel problems people are having, that why they would need you and why they would need some medical device engineering, say. But these other two, services and engineering, we've got a 47 and a 43 out of 100. Much easier to rank for those. So that's good. That's something you want to see. And we're getting some other keyword ideas based off of that. And you do see a little bit more like long tail, just meaning there's extra phrases and keywords in there. You do see some like job specific ones or career specific ones. But there are some in here that throw a city at the end, like Boston, right? That's where we are. Medical device company, Boston. And low search volume, but still plenty, right? 390 people a month searching for something's pretty good. And a very, very low SEO score. So if I was a medical device company in or around Boston and I use this within my website for like an H1 tag, which is the text at the top of your homepage, you got a good chance of ranking like really, really fast. And granted, you need good quality content and supporting backlinks and good credibility around all those things that you're legit, but that is good to see from someone like us that may want to help a business like that, anyone in medical device industry, rank higher during a web design project. So there's other things in here such as related terms. There's other things such as questions, which I think is perfect for blog posts. If you're going to spin up a bunch of new blog posts, it's really, really good to go and answer the questions around a specific industry. What is considered a medical device? How many medical services types are there? I mean, the phrasing on some of the stuff's weird. The volume's very low, but this is the type of stuff that if you do these things, super niche, bottom of the funnel, answer people's questions, by default, right, and out of necessity, Google has to deem you an authority on the topic if you answer all those questions and you know what you're talking about. So that is something that while we go through any sort of web design project, we do want to look at these types of opportunities, as they can be super, super impactful when looking at the interior pages and other types of content that support the overall web design. So if you have any questions on this stuff, let me know. But we will, we're happy to audit any of these things. Feel free to follow and like and subscribe to all of our stuff, as we do drop a ton of hints and tips on things you can do on your own. But if you need help, feel free to look us up, as we're happy to help. Thanks.